Behold, I will do a new thing, now it should spring forth. Should ye not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. Isaiah 43:19.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica and I am here to share with you guys. Can you see it? Can you see it? The steamer I finally ordered. I am so happy and so excited to do an unboxing. I am going to do an unboxing showing you guys what is in this box. So, to start off, I ordered this King Steam from Amazon and it ran me a good $69.99. So, what it is a hair steamer and a facial steamer, which is pretty awesome, and it comes in different colors. If you wanna, that I did not see, but you could also order, I got this one in a clear and coffee, and you will see that once I open it, but it also comes in a white and blue as well, and it looks like the blue one is $64.96. why, I don't know, but yeah, okay, I could have went with the blue one, but alrighty. So what this does, let me, phone problems. Okay, so the description of this item here, it says the face and hair steamer offers you an amazing salon-like home hair treatment and face care with easy, quick, and safe operation. Save time and money. Who don't want to save money? So with that being said, it's like the instructions and notes and everything is all listed here on Amazon as well. I'm pretty sure once we get this bad baby open, we'll have like a menu guide and everything in here. But without me chit-chatting any longer, let's go ahead and get into this box, honey. I'm excited. As soon as you open it, it comes with a manual to basically to tell you what you got to do and how it works. So I don't think I'm gonna actually put it together on camera. I'm just gonna basically take it out the box. Okay, so everything is all put up in plastic, of course. You open them. For a minute I was gonna say, how is this a steamer and they got this like a whole pad in here, but this comes out, so it's like a little steaming bowl. And okay, wait a minute, is that it? Like, where's the stick and everything? Did I bypass that part? Oh, okay. I'm like, this don't look like the picture. I'll just open up, it goes like this. And I don't know if you can see it, I'm sorry, but I don't have a camera that automatic focus. But you can tell that it's steam right here, so I guess it was used to test the item out. That's what it said on the box. So, a little bit. So these flaps open up here, so it'll open, show you how much water to put in for your steamer, and then I guess these like just covers everything up, so you won't actually touch it while it's hot. So that's a good thing. That's like a good especially if you have kids like me, they won't walk and just be like, ooh, like they're gonna try to touch just this, but it's not gonna be as hot because they're not touching the actual thing. So I think that was like really good. So for the, I'm gonna do the facial part first because this seems like it's the easiest since I'm holding it up like this. It only comes with 4 items. It comes with this, your facial piece, the part for your dryer for the head cap thing, and the head cap. So it's really easy, pretty much self-explanatory. I have not read anything on the user manual. I haven't opened this or read this or anything, but just by looking at it, what you'll do is you'll take your facial piece and then you will click it in here, and then it's twistable, so it's made to like just sit still, and then wherever you're laying it can be twist to how or whatever you want to do to your face. And then the steam will actually come out of this part to steam your face. So I think, love you too, baby. Shut the door back and lock it, please. So what, I'm gonna use this tonight, and I'm super excited. What a steamer does for your face is it's like a at-home facial. Face, take your makeup off, wash your face with your regular face wash or whatever you're gonna wash your face with. Then after I have a clean face, I will do the steamer. What the steamer does is actually open up your pores a lot more. So then after you steam your face, how long, I don't know. I wouldn't do it longer than 10 minutes. I don't know how long this thing was gonna say, but I'm gonna definitely read this off camera. I'm not gonna read it on camera because, you know, that's just whack. But I wouldn't do it no longer than 10-15 minutes. After I do the steam my face, you would want to follow up by doing a face mask or some type of clay mask to really get inside your skin, because it's basically opening up your pores, so therefore it can it's like a deep clean, you know, it's like a deep clean. Now for this part, which is the steamer for your hair, which I'm super duper excited about. This looks like it goes in here like that. And then, let me hold this on my knees. Then this, it's like a little hole back here that you're gonna just pop onto here. But first, what I would do is like 2 little pieces right here as well, and it just slides onto here. Okay, there we go. So it just slides onto there, and then you will actually have to put the little thingy right here, whatever this would be called, from where you put the water, like that. And then you just sit it down, and that's it. It's like, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. Now the only thing I can say that I don't like about it, it's not adjustable. That would be the only con I have on it. So I don't know, I guess I have to pick and choose what type of chair I want to sit in to use this, because it's not a adjustable. Yeah, it's no way to adjust this. If you're new, welcome, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and join my channel. I'm almost at 200, so don't be afraid. All you gotta do is click the button and, you know, subscribe. It's free. I'm fun. I'm awesome. At least I think so. You'll think so too if you're watching my video. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and support your girl, motivate your girl, help me out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.